story to share about the confidence. But that is hard to explore more about the confidence because we don't, like me, I think I not a confident person right now. So first of all, that is about, I have one question. That is about, is a confidence give you the power to conquer the world? So exactly, we strongly believe self-confident people are admired by others and inspire confidence in others. They face their fear heads on heads to be risk takers. They know that no matter what obstacle come their way, they have the ability to get past them. Self-confident people tend to serve their life in a positive light, even when things are not going so well, as they are typically satisfied with and respect themselves. It comes down to one simple question: if you don't believe in yourself, how do you expect anybody else to? So I am going to give you some tips and also to me. That is first of all, that is about stay away from negativity and bring on the positivity. So this is the time to really evaluate our inner cycle, including friends and family. There is a shock once, but it's not time to seriously consider getting from those individuals who put you down and share your confidence. Second one is change your body language and image. This is where posture, smiling, eye contact, and speech slowly come into play. Just the simple act of pulling our shoulder back give others the impression that that we are a confident person. Smiling will not only make you feel better, but will make others feel more comfortable around you are. The last one is be prepared. Honestly, learn everything there is no about your friends, job, presentation, whatever is next to our to consider list. If we are prepared and have the knowledge, the backs it up our self-confident well-sourced manuscript. In conclusion, low self-confidence is not a left sentence. Self-confidence can be learned, practiced, and mastered just like any other skill. Once you master it, everything in our life will change for the better. So, in my view, that is confidence is more important for our life. That is, you must practice on it, and you can learn what have the follower. That is the figure in your life. That that is what you can implement. You can applicate what you believe is. You must believe yourself. That is can increase your confidence. And the second, that is what you must prepare anything you want to like them. If you are the colleague right now, that is about the presentation. If you don't have more knowledge, you will feel nervous or get stomach in your get butterfly in your stomach. That is, I think that is right now. A lot of company want to look for you. That is about confidence. That is not you can more about your knowledge, but you can share your idea because you don't have a confidence, you don't believe in yourself. It's not good for our career or our job in the future. Thank you very much for my presentation.